Yeah.
It's when you click the questions in part one, something will happen
Opo, opo.
simultaneously
Mm.
on the topic material.
Yes po. Ma'am, siguro ililipat ko lang ito dito sa topic
Yeah, topic
material. Okay
material.
po, ayan. 'Pag nag-change po ng question, ayan, may lalabas pong mga ano
Mm.
dito sa kabilang side, 'yan.
Suggested
Mm.
yeah, suggested answers, sample answers.
Okay.
Okay, same po siya dito,
Yeah,
'yan.
so if the student doesn't have an idea, you can pinpoint some. You can either suggest that, or it can come from you actually. Yeah,
Tapos sa
and
part
then
2 po, gano'n
yeah,
din
part
siya.
two,
Ayan, 'yan,
that's it,
'yan po siya.
and then part three.
Okay, part 3 po, dito siya, 'yan. 'Yan, nag-iiba din siya.
Yeah, so
Yes.
simultaneous nag-change yung left and the right.
Hmm.
Uh, partner sila. Partner sila kung anong question. And then
Okay.
if you are to teach the methodology PRE or PREC, you click which one, Teacher Eloisa?
Teaching
Teaching
material po.
material.
Teaching
Opo.
material. So you have the timer, you save on top,
Opo, ito po.
right? What else have we forgotten, Teacher Eloisa?
Ito pong siguro start transcript. Ito po TM, yung sinabi niyo kanina, 'yan.
Siguro wag na muna kasi
Wag na po
baka it
muna 'yan.
won't work and then big problem.
Opo, opo.
Wag na muna.
Okay.
If someone can vouch for me that it's working, then we can tell them to use it. But probably you can teach them to use what you're using. Na lang. It's better.
Opo, opo.
I have a question po, teachers. Regarding that tab po for teaching material, do we upload that po or we already have it in the platform?
It's
Na
embedded.
okey.
It's a teaching material. So basically, whenever at the end of the trial class and you choose the course plan, it's going to be in there. So
Pero
it can be all part one, it can be all part two during the NL class. But for the ET classes, it's gonna be like this. Yeah, go ahead, Teacher Eloisa.
Hindi po. Iba po kasi dun sa sa reel. Sa reel po minsan wala 'to, kaya nag-a-add po kami dito. 'Yan, ina-add ko siya 'pag yung sa reel classes na.
Do you mean
Ah,
NL or trial class?
NL po. Pero 'pag trial class po,
Should be like this, right?
basta 'pag wala lang po, nag-a-add na lang po ako
Yeah,
dito, 'yan.
add.
Part 2, 'yan po, 'yan.
Yeah,
IMF,
mag-a-add ka ng topic.
opo, 'yan.
Yeah. So
Okay po.
what I wanna ask you would be, how long do you think you can prepare, Teacher Carl, for the demo?
Um, what will be the deadliest?
Sorry?
The farthest day from today? Would it be like the deadliest could be Sunday, or do we conduct Sunday
Oh,
demos
this
po
coming
or
Sunday?
yeah?
That's so early. If you
Okay.
can, yes. If you can.
Sunday, ano ba ngayon?
Sunday.
Ah,
Teacher
bilis.
Loisa, are you free to practice with Teacher Carl?
Ano po TM, sa Sunday po ay teka po, yung schedule ko po ay siguro po Sunday morning TM, Sunday morning po.
Would you
Kasi yung
like to
Saturday
practice
po
first with Teacher Eloisa? It's better.
hmm,
Yes po.
Sunday morning Kuya Carl, puwede ka po?
Sige po. Yes po.
Okay, okay. Sunday
Okay, and then
morning.
maybe once you feel you're ready, then I'll set
Yes.
your demo.
Okay.
Not unless you think you will be ready, then I will set your demo for
Okay.
Sunday afternoon if you like. It can be Monday. I can request for a Monday demo if you like.
Monday. Okay.
Monday or Tuesday.
I think Tuesday could
Sige,
work.
Tuesday. What time?
Afternoon din po, or like do we have choices for the time or we
I
can ask for
usually
approval?
ask the evaluator, kunwari, anytime between 2 to 6. whichever is
Oh,
their availability.
yeah, I can work for 2 to 6 po. If
So
it
anytime between 2 to 6
between 2 to 6. Yeah.
to get Tuesday. How about you, Teacher Joy?
Hello, Miss. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Probably, let me check. Wednesday or Thursday could be.
Okay, Wednesday or Thursday. Would you like to practice with them Saturday morning, Sunday tomorrow morning?
Sunday morning. Yes, Miss, I can. Sunday morning.
Okay, you're all connected in a GC.
Mhm.
So you can just ask Teacher Loisa what time
Ay,
on
gising na
Sunday.
po ba kayo ng 7 AM? Ay, hindi pa yata ako gising nun. Gising na po ba kayo ng 7 AM?
Pwede,
No, kayo
pwede
Kung
ako
ano po
magising
yung
ng ganun ka-early, Miss. Why not?
yes po. Kami ang
Teka.
humihingi ng pabor, madam. Kaya if
Yes, ma'am.
7 is ano,
Wow.
TM, ano nga ba yung book? Pinuksan ko pong schedule noon. Wait lang
I
po,
don't
wait lang po.
know.
Titingnan ko lang po yung schedule ko.
okay
Ako
po.
po kasi tanghaling
Remind me, Teacher
nagigising.
Loisa, I have to ask because you have 2 cancellations.
Opo.
No, I have to ask. But you said you will open on Sunday, right?
Nag-open po ako ng Sunday TM kasi gawa po nung absent ko nung nitong kahapon,
Oo,
tsaka
2
nung
days.
isang
Sige, I
araw.
will ask.
Okay. Oh, wait lang po TM. Check ko lang po yung schedule.
And I also have a question po, Teacher Mary.
Yes,
During the
please.
demo, we will be doing the same with what Teacher Eloisa did. Like for the first few parts, we're going to present, or we're going to do as if it's the real setup itself that we're not going
On
to
the
present
demo,
for.
you will already do as what Teacher Loisa did, like a real trial class.
Alright.
So it's going to be with an evaluator. I prefer Chinese, but Tilly, sometimes Tilly, I think she's the only Chinese evaluator. Don't get a lot of Filipino foreign teachers for
Oh,
for for demo. So mostly would be Filipinos too. So they're very supportive.
Alright.
Ay, okay lang po na 10 o'clock tayo. 10 o'clock
I think
sa,
Yes
that's
po.
friendlier
ayun.
time.
Oo nga.
Yes, Miss.
10 o'clock, 10 to 12. Ang hirap kasi
Okay.
gumising ng maaga.
10 to 12.
Teacher
Right.
Joy, what time do you
Yes, Miss.
prefer on Wednesday or Thursday?
Probably, Miss, earliest 2 p.m.
So ganun din, anytime between 2 to 6 p.m.?
Yes.
Sige. Alrighty. So you have everything. You can rest for now. Try to relax while you review. Actually, on the demo, you can use your Código on the side. Teacher Loisa has that. She's looking for her Código. So
for that.
no, you can glance, but not read.
Alright.
I have mine as well until now. Yeah. Naka-paste siya sa desktop ko, sa gilid. So I glance.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, Teacher Loisa.
Opo, thank you po.
I'll
Thank you
chat
very
with
much,
you.
Teacher Eloisa. Thank you so
Opo,
much
thank
po
you
for
din
your
po.
time.
Pasahin niyo po, madali lang yun. Kayang-kaya niyo
Bye-bye.
yun.
Thank you po.
Opo.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye po.